Everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this music starlight. You can basically play music and have these lights that sync to the music. The nice thing is there's also an app that's included to allow you to control this thing. So this is great for parties, great for kids, great for just chilling in your bedroom. Right off the bat, we got the user manual, a USB-C cable to power this thing up. We've got a remote control. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Then we've got the device itself. As you can see, you got that nice disco light kind of vibe on top. Right here, looks like you got the speaker. You also got one on this side, so one on both sides. On the bottom, you got these nice no-slip grips. It says remote receiving area right there. On and off switch right there. You can control the brightness of the light with this little toggle. And you've even got controls for the music, so you can go previous, go next track. You can volume up, volume down. This little diagram tells you what each thing does. So you've got power button. You've got turn the stars on or off. You can turn the music on or off. You can turn off the red, green, blue, or white lights. You got next track, previous track. You got even music control button right in the middle, so that will sync up the music with the lights. You got volume up, volume down. You've got changing the speed of the lights. You got fade, different modes, fading the lights. You can control the brightness of the stars. You can even have the stars fade if you want. And then you can do timers here, turn off the timer. There it is, all powered up. As you can see, very, very vivid little stars, very nice clouds. You can turn off the clouds. You got to point it at that infrared sensor. And then you can even turn off the stars. So there we have just clouds, no stars. You really have to see this in person to see how nice this looks. It really does enhance the bedroom. So as you can see, there's a red button. Ooh, even adds red to it. Green, that just looks amazing. Blue, back to blue. You can do a little like mixture of the colors. You've got fade modes. There's fade 1. Fade 2. So you got the timer mode. Lets you know the timer's set. Check that out. Sync to the music. Look at that. Volume button's very responsive. Check out this volume button. Hold it down.
Volume maximize.
Pause. Play. You can even plug in a USB stick here with music, and then of course adjust the brightness like that. Overall, I highly recommend this light. This thing is just feature packed. Has so many different modes. The music sync mode is amazing. And the great thing is you can control it straight from the light itself, or you can use this included remote control with so many different buttons. I highly recommend this for like a corner of the room like I have it. Thanks for watching.